Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI in order to get a girlfriend. So basically we'll ask it about dating tips, about how to treat a girl and etc. So let's start first with going to our devices and then open any kind of browsers. Right after that, I will need you guys to go ahead to the URL section and type open AI. So here we go. And from here guys, basically I will need you to do is click on try from here and now guys I will need you to sign in. For me, I have already signed in, and you just have to sign in into your existing account or just sign up and create a new one with your Gmail, Facebook or Twitter account. So now after we finish that, so let's type here, uh, how can I get a girlfriend? So let's see, there is no right way to get a girlfriend as the process will vary depending on the individual. However, some general tips that might be helpful include building confidence, working on self-improvement, being social, and being genuine and kind when interacting with others. Additionally, it can be helpful to identify what you are looking for in a partner and to make an effort to meet new people, whether through joining clubs or groups, taking classes, or practicing in online dating. So these are some tips that can give you. So let's say, for example, can you write me, for example, can you write me an example of Tinder profile text? So let's see now. Here we go. It's collecting, I think, data now. So let's wait until it answers us. And basically, yeah, as you can see, you can't really get a girlfriend. That's actually obvious, but it can give you some tips. As you can see now, it gives us some tips about how to be more confident, to be genuine and kind, and self-improvement, and to be more social and open to others. So let's see now if it is going to answer us about this question, which is, can you write me an example of Tinder profile text? So sure, here is an example. So here we go. Let's wait. Here, hi there, dun, 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 of lover of adventure, etc. So these kind of texts that you can find in any kind of like profile in Tinder, and you can just copy this, change the name, and just be perfect for you to start your Tinder profile. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.